There is no gold ETF listed in the UAE, not on Dubai Financial Market, not on Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. 0. So if you search gold ETF UAE, you're not choosing a local fund, you're choosing a global fund and a broker to buy it on. Those are two different decisions. Today we compare both. Let's start with the funds. All four hold real physical gold stored in vaults. None of them pay dividends. The only real difference is cost, size, and where you can buy them. First, SPDR Gold Shares, ticker GLD. This is the biggest and oldest gold ETF in the world. The yearly fee is 0.4%. That's the highest of the four we're covering today, but it's also the most traded, which means very tight buy-sell spreads. Second, iShares Gold Trust, ticker IAU. The yearly fee is 0.25%, cheaper than GLD, still very large, still very easy to trade. Third, the Goldman Sachs Physical Gold ETF, ticker AAAU. The yearly fee is 0.18%, smaller fund than the first two, but still a real, physically backed gold ETF and cheaper to hold long-term. Fourth, and this one is different, iShares Physical Gold ETC, ticker IGLN. This is the cheapest fund on this list. The yearly fee is 0.12%, but there's a catch, and it's a big one. The first three funds are listed on U.S. exchanges. IGLN is listed on the London Stock Exchange. That single detail decides which app can even buy it for you. Now let's talk about where you actually buy these. This part matters more than most people think. Sarwa Trade is one of the most used investing apps in the UAE. The fee to trade is $1 or 0.25% of your trade value, whichever is higher. No monthly fee, no custody fee. But Sarwa only supports US-listed assets. That means GLD, IAU, and AAAU are all available. IGLN is not. Baraka works the same way. One free trade a month, then $1 per trade after that. Baraka also only offers US-listed stocks and ETFs. So again, GLD, IAU, and AAAU yes, IGLN no. To buy IGLN, the cheapest fund on this list, you need a broker with access to the London Stock Exchange. Interactive Brokers and Saxo are two examples that offer this. Sarwa and Baraka do not, as of this recording. So the real decision isn't just which gold ETF. It's do I want the easiest app or the lowest fee? Right now, for most UAE investors using Sarwa or Baraka, that means choosing between GLD, IAU, and AAAU. If this kind of breakdown is useful, subscribe. Every video on this channel compares real apps and real fees, one category at a time, one country at a time. Interactive Brokers charges £3 or €3 per trade for European stocks and ETFs under about £6,000. Above that, it drops to 0.05% of the trade value. Saxo charges a minimum of £3 or €3 per trade too, but Saxo requires a $5,000 minimum deposit for UAE clients. Sarwa and Baraka have no minimum at all, so IGLN has the lowest fund fee on this list, but to actually buy it, you're likely paying a higher trade commission and with Saxo, a much higher minimum deposit than you would on Sarwa or Baraka for the other three funds. So if you are living in the UAE and earning in dirhams and want to buy a gold ETF, you have two platforms available, Sarwa and Baraka. If you want to check their direct comparison, there is another video on the channel that you can watch right after this one. Quick recap, no gold ETF is listed in the UAE. Four global funds cover almost every use case. GLD for size and liquidity, IAU for a lower fee with similar liquidity, AAAU for an even lower fee from a smaller fund, and IGLN for the lowest fee of all, but only if your broker gives you UK market access. This video describes what each fund offers. It does not tell you which one to buy. Fees, fund size, and app access can all change, so check current numbers before you invest. If you want the next comparison, best banking apps, best trading platforms, best credit cards in the UAE, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.